Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of top gadgets and appliances. In today's video, we're diving into what we consider the best air fryer with digital touch control, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Air Fryer. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or someone looking to cut the calories without losing the crunch, this air fryer might just be your new kitchen MVP. Let's get right into it. First off, what sets this air fryer apart is its dual basket design. You get two independent cooking zones, which means you can cook two different meals at two different temperatures, all at the same time. One basket for your crispy chicken wings, and the other for sweet potato fries. No problem. And if you want both to finish at the same time, just hit the sync finish button. The fryer automatically adjusts to make it happen. No guesswork, no extra effort. With a massive 9-quart total capacity, the Chefman TurboFry is built for families or for anyone who likes to entertain. You can fit full meals in this thing, not just snacks or side dishes. It's wide enough to handle large portions without compromising on air circulation, which is key to getting that crispy texture without using oil. Now let's talk about the controls. The one-touch digital interface is sleek, intuitive, and easy to navigate. It eliminates the need for manual dials or confusing timers. There's even a shake reminder that gives you a visual and audio alert to flip or shake your food halfway through the cycle, ensuring evenly cooked results every time. From a health perspective, this fryer really earns its stripes. You're getting crispy, golden finishes with little to no oil, so meals come out lighter but still satisfying. The TurboFry brings them back to life better than a microwave ever could. When it comes to cleaning, this model is a winner. The baskets are non-stick, which already makes cleanup easier, but it also comes with bonus basket liners that help reduce mess even further. Toss them after use, rinse the baskets, and you're done. They're also top-rack dishwasher safe. On the safety side, it's got you covered. Features include auto shut-off, overheat protection, and cool touch handles. It's also CETL approved, so it's built to meet North American safety standards. And let's not forget, it runs on 1500 watts of power, which delivers fast, efficient air frying across all functions. The build is solid, with aluminum and plastic construction that feels durable but not overly bulky on the counter. So here's our verdict. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Air Fryer combines smart design with powerful functionality. The dual baskets, digital touch interface, and generous capacity make it a standout option for anyone looking to upgrade their air frying game. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a family of 4, it's designed to make meal prep quicker, healthier, and more enjoyable. At its current price point, especially with frequent discounts, it offers fantastic value. That's it for this edition of Product Critique. If you're ready to revolutionize your kitchen with healthier meals that don't sacrifice flavor, this air fryer should be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real product insights. See you in the next one.